Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research on for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Asdaaf. Brand Asdaaf is another subsidiary of the house of Sterling. Is it Sterling or is it Lattafa? I forgot, sorry. When you get a certain age, these things. Anyway, yeah, I think it's a subsidiary of House of Lattafa, I think. Anyway, so House of Lattafa is one of the biggest perfume houses from United Arab Emirates, and they have a super extensive perfume lineup in their portfolio. Many of you are familiar with. This one in particular is called, this is from their Sultan range. I unboxed and reviewed a few Asdaaf before, and for the price they are quite impressive. So this one is called Asdaaf Majd Al Sultan, and this is Black Intense, so not to be mistaken with Majd Al Sultan, because there are two of them in this line. This one is the black bottle, so you remember that. This one is Eau de Perfume 100 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it under £30. For a while it was very hard to find, but now it's back. If you're interested, go to Notino right now and thank me later. It's going for a very good price. Anyway, so let's do the unboxing, but please, before I do the unboxing, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. Show me love, show me support. This way you help me to encourage me, you motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they could be a hidden gem. Thank you for your support and love, and let's go. Sorry about the noise when you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. Okay, so the box is velvety, which is quite nice for a price, and attention to detail is very nice. Look at this, beautiful. Where do you get a presentation like this under £30 in terms of European big names? Anyway, so let's see how is the bottle. Okay, the bottle is very beautiful as well, so it's the same effect. We have velvet effect on top of the bottle. The bottle is very heavy, and this one is a plaque and is embossed, and it looks like it's metal. Majd Al Sultan Black Intense by Asdaaf, very nice, very beautiful, and the cap is plastic. It doesn't have that much weight to it, but it looks good as well. It got like a leatherette effect. Atomizer is modern and silver, and here we go. Good atomizer, not perfect, not excellent, but good enough. Alright, so how is Majd Al Sultan? And this is Black Intense by Asdaaf, Eau de Perfume 100 ml. It targeted unisex, and as I said, right now if you go to Notino you can find it at a very good price. Okay, here we go. First impression. So first thing it hits me is the sweetness of it. So it's sweet, but in the meantime it's fresh. So I would say this is fresh to semi-fresh fragrance. Okay, and the first thing I sniffed is the melon. So it's a big melon in here. It's a very fruity, tropical feel to it. Melony, sweet, almost sticky, almost syrupy, almost. Yeah, so this is sweet. If you need to like your sweet fragrances, from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 7 to 8. So very sweet, at least for the first impression. You opened up, super sweet, super sticky, very almost like a syrupy, but I feel some melon, I feel some apple in here, and also I'm smelling some aromaticness in here. Yes, quite aromatic. Probably most likely to be lavender. Lavender is shining right now, very aromatic, maybe even a violet leaf in here to give it a hint of powderiness. It's a little on the powdery side as well. So overall, it opens sweet, opens fruity, and it's fresh to semi-fresh with that syrupy feel to it as well, and a little bit on the tropical side. But to my nose, absolutely unisex. Yeah, it's correct. So either man and woman can easily wear it, no problem. It reminded me something. What is that? Yeah, it reminds me of something very familiar. It might click in a second. So right now, I don't have an internet to check let's see if we can check it. No, the internet is absolutely dead. Okay, for some reason I have a dead internet. I can't check the notes, but I just swing it, and in the next video I'll let you know the development, the longevity, and also the note breakdown. So sweet, fruity, tropical, aromatic, quite woody in the base, and also that stickiness probably is coming from vanilla, and also maybe there's no tonka bean in here. No tonka bean. So definitely vanilla, but no tonka bean, and also aromatic, fruity. The fruits are quite big in the beginning. When it opened up, massive fruitiness. So you need to like your fruity fragrances, you need to like your sweet fragrances, although it's just got quite a freshness to it, but it is semi-fresh rather than fresh, okay? But it's got a depth to it, it's got a weight to it, it's quite dense. So for that, it's very nicely done. For the price under £30, this is an absolute gorgeousness. Oh, I remember, it reminds me of Paco Rabanne Phantom to some extent. Okay, it's not a copy, it's not a one-to-one to it, it's not 100%, but to some extent it reminds me of Phantom. Yes, Phantom. Yeah, to some extent it reminds me of Phantom, and also to some extent it reminds me of what's that one? Dolce Gabbana, the blue auto, Luminous Night. So to some extent it reminds me of Phantom, and to some extent it reminds me of Luminous Night by Dolce Gabbana, the one. So if you like those two, probably you like this. If you don't like those two, most likely you won't like this. Again, very sweet. So it's very sweet, it's syrupy, it's fruity, and it's like a basket of fruit. I can smell some, definitely melon, definitely some bergamot at least, if not lemon as well. Maybe lemon, bergamot, and grapefruit, giving it that happy opening. The opening was very happy, very bright, very uplifting, very inviting, very captivating. To me, it smells like a tropical vacation. Okay, it smells like tropical vacation, and you're drinking a very sweet, maybe mango juice, melon juice, something like that in that vein, and you're smelling that beautiful tropical wind is coming towards you. So it's giving me that tropical feel overall. Yeah, very sweet. So sweet, fruity, zesty, some aromaticness, probably most likely from the lavender, and also the base is got that vanilla, and it's quite woody, not too much. I'm smelling something, maybe a combination of cedar and sandalwood, to give it that woody base to lift everything and carry everything together. There is no I'm not smelling that much floral, apart from obviously the lavender in here. So it definitely unisex to my nose, 50-50, anybody can wear it, no problem. In terms of age, I would say, because it's got that sweetness to it, it could be universally liked. So I would say this is ageless. And in terms of occasion, this is very nice. I would say it's better for going out and things like that. But because the price is right, you can use it anytime you want. You can dress it up, dress it down, formal, informal, special occasion, casual, daytime, nighttime, close encounter, dating, anything like that. Very deliciously done in here. And in terms of the the season, this is all year round again. You can use it in summer, in winter. It's got some freshness to it. You can use it in summer, and it's got some depth to it and a sweetness to it that you can use it in winter. So it's all year round there, but be careful of the trigger. In summer less sprays, in winter more spray. Right now it smells very strong, so it's feeling the room, feeling the house. Is very, very deep and quite strong, and quite it's got a depth to it, it's got a weight to it as well. So if you like the two I mentioned, again, to some extent, Paco Phantom, and also Dolce Gabbana, the one Luminous Night. If you like these two, again, it's not a copy of either of them, but it's quite close to them, and it's the same category of fragrances of those two. So just to give you a mental picture, just to let you know how it smells roughly, in the what direction it's going. So if you like this kind of fragrances, you will enjoy this. Definitely, I'm absolutely enjoying it right now. It's gorgeous, beautiful, for a price under £30. Yes, yes, yes. I'll give it 2 thumbs up for a first impression. In the next video, I'll let you know the rest of the things. But for now, if you go to Notino, you can find it for very, very good price. I'm telling you, just go and check it. You might be surprised how good they are selling it for, the price. Anyway, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future, which nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. And this beauty is, it looks like it's going to be a hidden gem. And if you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. I'm the worker, I'm the artist, I'm the perfumer. So there are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. They are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They smell great, and they are very, very artistic and unique. And they are very big in terms of personality, in terms of smell, in terms of performance, because I put more than 60% pure perfume oil in my perfumes, which is unheard of. So the ratio for what you pay and what you get is ridiculously high. Okay guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.